All right, team, you're ready for some advanced WordPress. We're going to learn how to upload an MP3 file and post it in the teaching section of the site. So we've already learned how to do a basic post. One of the teaching posts is just a regular old post, except we've marked it as teaching, not uncategorized as teaching. I've already put the title for this past Sunday, Language is Unbroken, and the date on that I believe was November 12th, 2017. This is important because you want people to be able to search what day it was on, not today's date or the day it was published. You actually want the date the sermon was. So I've done that. I'm first going to do the sermon, so I see sermon. Now, I need the audio file. The audio file is streamed from Amazon. So, to get to Amazon, I'm going to do the Amazon Management Console. Oops, I'm going to sign in. I'll send this link. The account ID is Chartwell, Mississauga. The username is Clarkson Church. And the password, of course, is CBCCV1996. Sign in. We want S3. Not now. You see, you have access to Clarkson Church. This is where all your things are stored. This is 2017. We want November. Now, we have the 5th, but we don't have the 12th. So we're going to upload it. We're going to put the audio for the 12th in. Go to Upload. It's going to ask you where it's coming from. Two ways you can do it. You can either select or you can drag and drop. I'm going to add files. It's going to ask me where my machine it is. It's going to be different for your machine, but on my machine it's in Dropbox Personal. It's in Sermon Audio. Sorry, this is better. 2017, November. And this is the ones from the 12th. November 12th, November 12th. I can open them. Again, you can also drag and drop the files. Okay. So the two files I want. Hit next. Here's an important thing. We do want to make public read access to this object. That way the public can just play it and it'll play on the website. Yes, I want this to have public read access. Everyone can read it. They can't change it, but they can access the file, meaning they can play it on their computer. Hit next. As you notice, hit upload. We're all good. And you can see it going right there. There's one. Do both of them? No, just the one. Let's try the other one. Upload, add files, same place. Sick reading, open. Next. Public. Yes. That's great. Oh, that's fine. Upload. There's the other one. All right, so we have both those files. Let's do the sermon audio first. There's a sermon from November 12th. If I click on it, it'll give me the link. You'll notice at the top here, I usually have like 3 different tabs or browsers open. One tab, I keep like the actual back end of the website where I do all the editing. Then I usually keep a tab that actually has the website itself so I can see what it looks like by hitting refresh on my browser window. And then the third one, I have the storage of our sermons on Amazon S3. So if I click sermon audio November 12th, it'll bring up, we want this link. So I'm going to copy that link. You can also Control C if you're using a PC or Command C if you're on a Mac. I'm going to go to Edit, Post, my back end, and I'm just going to paste it. Paste. It does that. You'll notice in a sec, boom, turns into an audio file, automatically recognizes. And people have asked, what about a download link? Okay, what I've did for download link is I'm going to add media. I've created a little image, a little button that says download the file. Right click to download the file. The image is the media library, so I click add image or add media. There's the little button, little download audio button. Insert into post. It adds it. Now we've got to tell, actually I'm going to center it. So if I click on it and hit the center button, align center, it looks a bit nicer. We've got to create a link to that. How to create a link? This little picture of a chain, right? This link and break link, we want the add link. So it asks us, where's the URL? Well, we want to paste the same URL. So I'm going to paste the same, hit the apply button right there. Boom. And go below it. I'm going to do Lectio. Lectio, same process. Type the word Lectio just so people know what it is. You can call it sacred reading if you want. I don't know what you want to call it. I'm going to go back to my S3 tab where I want November. I want the sacred reading for November 12th. That's it. Copy that link. Copy. Go to the back end of the website. Paste that link. Paste. Looks good. Hit enter. Add media to add the little button. Pick my button. Insert into post. Insert it into the post. I want to center it because I'm like that. And I want to add a link. I'm adding the link to the Lectio audio. Paste. Apply. I make sure I know who actually gave this sermon. You have a list of all the people there. This one was Karen. So it comes up as her as the author. That's good. It's a teaching. You know what? I need the sermon image. So I need to set the featured image. We have a bunch of sermon images in the media library. I believe this is Unbroken. I think it's that Unbroken. So I'm picking that image. If it's the wrong one, you can go back and change it. But I'm going to set that as the featured image. So the sermon image comes up as the graphic. November 12th, 2017. It's a teaching. There's audio. The speaker was Karen. Hit update. It updates. I'm thinking about it. Let's go look in teaching. See what's there. There it is, November 12th. Click on the thing. I'll often just make sure it plays. Yep, it's playing. It's playing. Awesome, make sure everything's right. And you see the author, the speaker's Karen. There you go. That is how you upload your sermons to a new post.